Hi boys, how are you today? Today I want to explain you running starting common. I will ask my colleague. Just a small question, Mr. Fahad. There is three terminal.
Yes.
What you call this three terminal? Tell me.
Not.
Not what not. You need to understand this terminal, three terminal. If you don't know this three terminal, you cannot start the compressor. You don't know?
This
Ah.
common.
Which
This
one?
running
Which one?
starting.
Which one is common?
Yes. Yeah.
This one.
This one.
This one is common. And
Yeah.
running, this two is running starting.
Yes.
So how will you identify which one is running, which one starting? You need to simple formula. The single terminal in every compressor will be common. Okay? You
Yes.
have two terminal. One of them is starting, one of them is
Running.
running. So you need to check with common one by one. The terminal which is giving low resistance with common, that will be running point, and the terminal which is giving more resistance with common point, that will be starting point. So this how you need to identify running, starting and common point. And you can see normally there is one relay fixed with compressor, and that relay there is one, you can say, program. There is one magnet. Once you start the compressor, the magnet short the starting point with running. Once compressor start with full HZ, and then the magnet leave the point. So this is how the compressor relay working. If you don't have relay, how you will start? You will give supply to the running point and common point, and then you have to switch on the compressor, and then you need to just short the two terminal, and then you have to leave. The compressor will get what? Start.